Hello friends, this is the question number 1 of exercise 4.3 in which we have to check whether the given quadratic equation has roots, and if they exist we have to find them by the method of completing the square. So let us begin. Here a is 2, b is minus 7 and c is 3. Therefore, d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac, gives minus 7 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 3. So this is 49 and this is 24. So result is 25, which is greater than 0, and this implies that given quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. Now we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. For this we will divide the whole equation by 2. Dividing the equation by 2, we have so this gives x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to change this equation as the square of some expression. We know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. Similarly, a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. We have to change the left hand side of this equation either in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Because minus sign is here, so we will change it as a minus b whole square, because this minus is this minus. This can be treated as twice ab and this is like a square. We have to find out the b from this term. This can be further expressed as x square means a square minus, here we can multiply and divide this term by 2. So to make it in the form of 2ab, we can do this 2 here, then a which is x here, this, and the remaining portion will become b, which is 7 by 4. So this takes the form of a square minus 2a and b. Now we have to add 7 by 4 square, that is b square is to be added and the same quantity will be subtracted, so that there will be no change in the given quadratic equation. The remaining term is 3 by 2 and is equal to 0. Now these three terms can be written as x minus 7 by 4 whole square, and the remaining terms can be transferred out to the right hand side, that is 7 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 2, which when simplified 7 7 is 49, then 16 minus 3 by 2, LCM of 16, we get 49 minus 24, that is 25 by 16. So this gives x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus minus square root of 25 by 16, that is plus minus 5 by 4. So x is equal to this minus 7 by 4 will be transferred to the right side. So it becomes positive 7 by 4, then plus minus 5 by 4, which further implies that the value of x is equal to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 taking positive sign, and 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 taking negative sign. This gives 12 by 4 and this gives 2 by 4, which further gives 3 and 1 by 2. These are the required roots of this given quadratic equation. Now second problem, 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing this with the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. Now we have to check whether this quadratic equation has roots or not. So for this we will find out the value of discriminant, which is given by b square minus 4ac. Here b is 1, so 1 square minus 4, a is 2 and c is minus 4. So this is 1 and minus plus, 4 4 is 16, 2 is 32, gives 33, which is greater than 0, and this implies that given quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. Now using the method of completing the square, we have to find its roots. To make the first term of this quadratic equation as a square term, we have to either eliminate 2 or multiply this term by 2 to get a perfect square term. Here I have divided the whole equation by 2 to get x square plus 1 by 2x minus 2 is equal to 0 by 2 means 0. Here this can be treated as a square, this can be treated as 2ab. From this middle term, we can calculate b as follows. इस मिडिल टर्म में हम 2/2 ऐसे लिख लेंगे। ये आपका ए स्क्वायर हो गया प्लस 2, इस 2 को यहाँ पर रखेंगे, फिर ए को रखेंगे जो कि एक्स है, ये ए हो गया, और रिमेनिंग पोर्शन जो 1/4 है वो बी का काम करेगा। आगे बी स्क्वायर ऐड करना है और बी स्क्वायर ही सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है ताकि हमारे इक्वेशन में कोई चेंजेस ना हो, केवल रूप चेंज हो जाए, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट हो जाए, इसके लिए ये काम करना है। और देन -2 = 0। यहाँ पर now these three terms make an identity which is x plus 1/4 square, and the remaining parts will be transferred to the right hand side, 1/4 square plus 2/1. This gives 1/16, 2/1. By taking the LCM of 16, we get 33/16. Now, x plus 1/4 is equal to प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट 33/16। क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर स्क्वायर था जो ट्रांसफ़र होने पर स्क्वायर रूट बनाता है। अब x की वैल्यू के लिए प्लस 1/4 ट्रांसफ़र होकर -1/4 बनाएगा, एंड प्लस माइनस ये 33 हो गया और 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 हो गया। इस तरीके से x की दो वैल्यूज़ आएंगी, एक बीच में जो साइन प्लस है उसे लेकर के आएगा और एक बार बीच के साइन को माइनस लेकर के आएगा, और ये -1 प्लस रूट 33/4 एलसीएम लेकर के बन जाएगा। यहाँ -1 माइनस रूट 33/4, ये दो आंसर हमें मिलते हैं। Now, third part of the problem is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0। यहाँ पर देखना है कि क्या इसके रूट एग्जिस्ट करते हैं या नहीं। अगर रूट एग्जिस्ट करते हैं तो उसे कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड से फाइंड आउट करना है। Here a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. Now, discriminant d is b square minus 4ac, which gives 4 root 3 square minus 4, a is 4, c is 3. So, this gives 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48, minus 48 is equal to 0. So, this implies that given quadratic equation has two equal real roots. Because this is the condition, if d comes out to be 0, then the quadratic equation has two equal real roots. Now, we have to find its roots. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here we can divide the entire equation by 4, or without dividing we can convert it into a perfect square like this. This can be written as 2x square, because the first term is already a perfect square. So, no need to divide. You may divide On dividing the entire equation by 4, we get x square. Then it also becomes a perfect square. Here we have not divided the square this quadratic equation, directly taken. So first term can be expressed as 2x square. Then second term can be expressed as 2 into 2x into root 3. So because this is a, this is 2, this is a, this, then remaining part is b. Now add square of b and subtract square of b. Plus 3 is equal to 0. So this can be expressed as 2x plus, because this is the identity of a square plus 2ab plus b square. These three terms make an identity of a plus b whole square. So we write here 2x plus root 3 whole square, and the remaining terms will be transferred out to the right side. So this is 3 and this is 3. So right hand side is 0. So what would be the value of 2x plus root 3? Plus minus 0, that is plus minus 0. So this gives 2x is equal to minus root 3 plus minus 0, which further gives x is equal to minus root 3 plus minus 0 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2 plus 0 and minus root 3 minus 0 by 2. So this is minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. These are two equal real roots, as we have already checked by finding out the discriminant value. So these are the required roots of this quadratic equation. फोर्थ पार्ट में दी हुई प्रॉब्लम 2x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0 है. डिवाइडिंग द इक्वेशन by these two, we have this is x square, then x by 2, then 4 by 2 means 2 and 0 by 2 again 0. Write 2 by 2 here and express it in the form of an identity. 2a is x here, and remaining portion which is 1 by 4, this is b. So add b square and subtract b square plus 2 is equal to 0. These three terms form an identity a plus b whole square, and these two terms will be transferred to the right hand side. 1 upon 16 minus 2 by 1, taking LCM of 16 we get this, minus 31 by 16. This implies that square of a number is negative, which is impossible. We cannot find out the square root of a negative number. So we can say that the given quadratic equation has no real roots. Existence of roots can be verified from the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac. Here b is 1, a is 2 and c is 4. 1 minus 4 to the 8, 8 4 the 32. This gives a negative number which is less than 0. This implies that given quadratic equation has no real roots. The same has also been verified by finding out the roots, which gives here x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus minus 31 by 16, no real value. इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही। उम्मीद है कि आपने कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड सीखा होगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।